Welcome to JH. Meet Waggy, the AI-powered robot puppy that supposedly walks, barks, and even smiles when petted. It's marketed as a real puppy without the feeding or the inevitable cleanup, which is great if your dream pet is one you can just toss in a closet when it gets annoying. The company promises a screen-free experience designed to help kids build emotional skills, because nothing teaches empathy quite like a motorized lump of plastic with a programmed grin. They're boldly calling it the #1 rated robot puppy, and even the Furby of 2025, which is a terrifying thought for anyone who lived through the 90s. However, they conveniently forget to mention who gave them that title or what rating system they're actually using. It turns out that #1 usually means the only person we asked was the guy who designed the box. Without a single source or award to back it up, these claims feel more like a desperate marketing hallucination than actual facts. Next, we have the classic pressure tactics, featuring permanent 75% off deals and those frantic countdown timers that never seem to hit zero. It's the kind of marketing that screams at you to buy now before it's gone, which is usually a sign that the product isn't exactly flying off the shelves on its own merit. If a toy needs to manipulate you into a panic attack just to make a sale, you might want to ask yourself why. Real high-demand products generally don't act like a pushy used car salesman. The ad is also stuffed with buzzwords like lifelike AI and real connection, claiming it can boost creativity and family bonding. It's all very heavy on the feelings and remarkably light on the technical specifications. If your lifelike companion happens to malfunction, don't expect a quick fix, as their only customer support is a lonely email address. Apparently, providing a phone number or a live chat was a bit too much real connection for them to handle. Finally, while the testimonials on their website look suspiciously polished, the rest of the internet is a total ghost town. We checked Trustpilot and Reddit and found absolutely nothing. No real reviews from real humans anywhere. Waggy seems to rely entirely on flashy hype and high-pressure sales rather than any actual evidence of quality. If you're thinking about bringing this robot home, you might want to approach with extreme caution. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.